Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to allow insert column in protected Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. To protect this sheet, simply go to the review tab. In protect group, click on the protect sheets option and here you can see one dialog box is open to protect sheet. Simply enter here the password and click on OK. Re-enter the same password and click on OK. And here your sheet is protected. Okay. Simply select any column, right click of the mouse. Here the insert option is not visible. Okay, for that, now I show you how to protect sheet to allow the insert column. Again, click on the unprotect, enter the password and click on the OK. Now I show you, click on the protect sheet and before enter the password, select here the insert column. Okay, and then enter the password. Okay, just re-enter the same password and that's it. Now simply select the column, right click of the mouse and click on the insert column. That's it. Okay, so this is a way you can easily insert column, easily allowed to the insert column in protected sheet. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.